Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBP USD British Pound US Dollar. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's get started. So this is the chart of GBP USD British Pound US Dollar, and as you can see, I'm in the 4 hours time frame. My personal favorite and the most beloved time frame in the Forex world. And if we just look at the chart, then we can easily tell that market is in uptrend, and there is no doubt about it. Okay, we can see that market is in nice uptrend. Okay, and you can see that I have the 50 moving average here, and 50 moving average is acting as a support for the market. Okay, on many instances we can see that 50 moving average acted as a support for the market. Therefore, we can still consider 50 moving average as a valid support for the market. Okay, and as you can see here, I have drawn a black line here. Okay, there's a black line here at 1.3808. And if you have watched my previous videos, then I have already mentioned the importance of this black line, but still I would like to show you. Okay, this is the weekly time frame. Okay, this is the weekly time frame, and in the weekly time frame we can see that market has got extreme support at this particular level. Okay, very crucial support at this level, because see 1 2 3. Okay, for 3 weeks market took support at this level before this beautiful up run. Okay, before that this level was the resistance for the market, and before that it was the support for the market. More or less the market was revolving around this particular level. As a result, this level has gathered significant amount of importance. So this level is very important to us. As of now, this is our best crucial support. And overall, if we look at the weekly chart, then we can see that there is no prominent support or resistance available apart from this level. Okay, more or less the road is clear, not much problem with the weekly chart. Okay, therefore let's switch to the 4 hours chart and let's find out. So I have already mentioned in my previous videos, and today I'll say again that this is our best trading opportunity. Okay, but right now market is far away from this particular support level. Okay, so therefore what is our next best opportunity? Okay, here our second best trading opportunity is this level, this 50 moving average level. Okay, because see this support is far away, therefore we may get an opportunity where market will be taking support at the 50 moving average. Okay, then you can go for a buy order, because see market is in overbought zone right now. Eventually it will come down. Okay, I'll also show you after 1 minute. Okay, so market is in overbought zone right now. So if you find market taking support at the 50 moving average, then you can go for a buy order. But do remember, confirmation is always important, and confirmation can be in the form of a hammer or price rejection from below, like this. Okay, once you get a confirmation that yes, 50 MA is a valid support, you can go for a buy order. This is your second trading opportunity. So the third trading opportunity. Okay, if you remember correctly, I told you that market has resistance at this particular level, and if we just look at the chart right now, we can easily see that there is a breakout in the market has crossed the resistance beautifully, is not it? But there's a but here. If I zoom out the chart, okay, we can see that market is still trading under this resistance zone, because see when market was going up in the month of February, market made this high. Okay, market made this high. Okay, after that market started collapsing. Therefore market is still under the resistance zone. If you are thinking that why am I talking about the high that market made in the month of February, then I have also already shown in my previous videos in USD CAD video, where I showed you the resistance from the year 2016 is still valid. Okay, therefore this resistance from the month of February, which is only 2 months away, okay, before 2 months, so this is also a valid resistance for the market. And as of now, market is still not free. Okay, market is still not free, market is still under the resistance zone. So this is our no trading zone. If you ask me, this market is still trading under the no trading zone. This is our no trading zone. Okay, so let's wait and watch. Okay, because market is overbought right now, so let the market cool off. Market will come down to take rest, and let's see where the market comes and take rest. Okay, in case it comes down to the 50 moving average, then that will be a sweetest spot to go for a buy order, because market is in uptrend overall. Okay, on the other hand, okay, if market takes support at this particular low level, okay, around 1.4100 level, 1.4100 level, that can be also a good spot to go for a buy order. Okay, on the other hand, if you see some good price reversal, okay, good price reversal or big red candle like this, okay, then you can go for shorting order. Otherwise do not short the market right now. In this condition, do not short the market until and unless you see some big fat red candles. Okay, see, generally I do not advise to go against the trend, but during the month of February, market had the same trade setup when market was very bullish. Okay, but see, market was very much bullish, but there was a huge sell-off and market collapse. Okay, there was a huge sell-off, so this kind of opportunity may also come. Okay, therefore if you see or spot some similar kind of sell-off, then you can go for shorting order. Otherwise, wait for the market to come down to the support price so that you can go for a buy order. Okay, that's it. And on the other hand, if market crosses this level, 4240 level, then you can go for buy order, but be very careful. I'll suggest you not to buy right away, at least wait for a couple of hours. Okay, that's why I am not telling you about this level, how you need to trade. As of now, just wait for the market to come down to take risk, take support somewhere so that you can grab it. Okay, otherwise avoid it. This is it. Hopefully you have understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See you tomorrow.